There are 2 small tomatoes over there. I'm going to get some to make breakfast dishes. You're eating cowpeas so early?
Sister didn't plant much, just enough to eat for a meal.
Oh my.
Do you want to eat century eggs?
In this hot weather, you can't eat much rice with hot dishes. Eating a bowl of cold dishes requires eating a few extra bowls of rice.
Cook some eggplants and tomatoes. Bringing them together to mix makes it even more delicious.
Look at the smooth skin. Oh, this century egg is so clear and translucent. Look at this.
That is a crab yellow century egg. Local duck eggs whole. It's neither fishy nor smelly, it's really delicious.
Go back to cook and eat.
Let's go make breakfast.
You go cook. Clear water boiled cucumber and century egg soup. Clear water boiled cucumber and century egg soup. Sister, let's take 2 century eggs to make cucumber and century egg soup.
Ah. Yes, it is fragrant.
Look at him making a red envelope like this. Give him a century egg, century egg.
This fire has started, let's eat, tidy up a bit.
Oh, there is some. Wow, this orange is packed so tightly. Is it tightened enough? It is okay.
This one is here.
Add tomatoes, green onions. Add salt. Add oyster sauce. Chicken powder. Add crushed red chili. Add soya sauce. Chili oil. This is a century egg. This century egg has a very strong aroma. Okay, Put it in. Let's go. Hey, let's go get roast chicken. Eat some preserved egg, so fragrant. I want more of this of yours.
Goodness, just this much rice. This amount is so comfortable.
Are you also golden? What are you doing? What I want to see is century egg. Century egg is the soul, look. Comfortable. I myself also have to chew some century egg.
Then you chew it yourself too. This century egg is a good century egg.
This century egg tastes really good.
You made this century egg well.
This one doesn't look like it, doesn't smell like it, looks good to eat.
Yeah, it's just fragrant enough.
Time cannot take away beautiful memories. I also need to have some soup. That soup is delicious when soaked with water and soup.
Yes, this is so fragrant. Look at this century egg soup.
This, I don't have. Oh, it doesn't matter. That soup and water also need to serve rice. I love drinking this. Come, I will bring you a ladle.
Like me, it turns golden like this century egg.
This century egg soup is really delicious, very fragrant.
Isn't it delicious? This tastes refreshing.
Right, you drink some more. Get up tomorrow and go steal your food, go eat, drink alcohol, drink well, drink a lot. Bring some people, get you drunk and knocked down, otherwise you will really be slow.
I have been waiting for you to open the door, you know.